how to retweet a tweet on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to retweet a tweet on Twitter. First thing, go to Twitter and let's select any tweet here like this one, and then just you see this icon here, this icon, click on it and then click this one, retweet. And as you see now, go to your account, and as you see now, you have been retweet this tweet. And if you want to unretweet, just click here and click this one, and that's it for today's video. And if you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.